So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your local bank account to your Wise account. So you could transfer from your Wise to your local bank account. So you're going to log into your Wise account and then you're going to go to recipient, add a recipient here. Next, you're going to select the currency. I'm going to select US dollars. And then it will take you to this page where you're going to enter the bank details here. And it says, who's your recipient? And you're going to, if you're sending it to someone, or you're going to say myself. Then you're going to enter the account detail, which is here. If you're going to send it by the SWIFT code, if you're sending USD to someone outside of the US, you'll be charged extra fees compared to a domestic transaction. So whether you want to wire it and pay $12 to $20, or you want to use the SWIFT code. So I'm going to use the bank SWIFT code. Which is here. I'm sending it to a Scotia Bank in Jamaica. So I enter the SWIFT code there, paste it, and then enter the account number. Enter the account number here and hit confirm. So once that is done, it's added here. It recognizes the bank name and it has my address there, and it has the nickname, it has the SWIFT code, and that's the detail there. So that's how easy it is to add your bank details to your Wise card. So it's asking how much I want to send to that account. So let's say we do 50 USD. And whether you're paying with the card that's attached to your account, or you want to send it from your account balance. So I'm going to send it from my account balance that's there. So this account that I added is also a US dollar account at the bank, and it says it should arrive by Friday, which is tomorrow. Then you hit continue. It says what's the reason for your transfer. You can select any of the options here, click other, and then submit. So it's giving you an estimate here, what you're sending, what's the fee, because it's international. And if you want to give a reference, that's optional. Then you hit continue. So it says you send a notification to the device, so I must approve the transfer. And there you have it. It says your money is on the move. So that's how you transfer. So that's how you transfer from your Wise account to your local bank account. So in case you want to join and have a Wise account, you can use the link in the description below and sign up. I've also created a video before showing you how to create your Wise account. You can hit that link and sign up for a Wise account. Stay tuned for the next video.